Meaning of ingratiate.
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 Ingratiate. The term ingratiate refers to the act of trying to gain favor or approval from someone through flattery or other means, often with the goal of obtaining some benefit. When someone tries to ingratiate themselves with another person, they may use compliments, gifts, or other forms of praise to try to win them over. While this tactic can sometimes be successful in achieving one's goals, it can also be seen as manipulative or insincere, and may ultimately damage one's reputation or relationships if discovered. As such, it is important to approach ingratiating behavior with caution and mindfulness.